Imagine if we could combine extreme sports with science into one experiment. That somebody would be able to do a wireless bungee jump.
Goedemorgen.
The easiest way to explain it, we work with magnets. These are opposite magnets and they attract each other. We're gonna do the reverse. Imagine this is the electrical magnetical field we're gonna work with, and this is the bungee jumper. You see what happens? You see? We're gonna use 4 dishes, which will convert the electricity into a very strong magnetic field.
Go!
The bungee jumper will be wearing a suit with magnets with the same polarities. When he jumps, he comes down and he will not get further than this.
Pushing you back now, okay? Putting it up.
It will look like he's doing a bungee jump and he will go back like this. This is Damien Huguette. This is the guy who's daring to take the jump. We finally found him.
The guy.
I believe in Damien. We've got the right guy on the right place at the right time. In theory, everything should work. Of course, we want to make sure everything's safe.
Hi guys, we are in Normandy. Let's see what's gonna happen tomorrow, you know, the big day. Of course, I'm a little bit scared about the idea of jumping without the bungee wire.
Écoute, je te promets, je t'appelle demain dès que je termine. Directement pour le saut. Ok? Tu me promets? Ok, bisous, bisous. Ciao, ciao.
Damien ready?
Damien is ready.
Okay, let's do it, guys.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, jump.
You did it, man! You did it!
I can just say that it's one of the greatest feelings in the world, you know? Just in a second, when I rebound, I said, yeah, that's it.
Je l'ai fait, on a sauté, c'est bon. Ben oui, il y avait pas à qui c'était. Allez, bisous, bisous, hein.